All right, people. So today, my AI streak was still going, but not as strong, just because I actually had to do something that was challenging. So I didn't realize this early on, but essentially, right, with scheduled focus sessions, we're basically creating Google Calendar from scratch. And the reason why I'm saying that is because a focus session is just a time block where you can block apps on your phone. That's basically it. So getting the notifications to work, it's actually pretty interesting. I've never done any of this before, but with AI, we're just going like boom, boom, boom. So I have all of the code down, but I didn't get to test it because today wasn't a full day of work; it was a half day. Um, so I know I'm talking a lot, but relatively calm day today compared to yesterday. Yesterday was very intense. Like I was going crazy. But it's like you have your day job, you're trying to work after work. The intensity is not as high, especially because you're tired from work. But overall, solid hustle. Just that as strong as AI is right now, it just can't do certain things. Like if it doesn't really fully understand the business domain, it's kind of hard to prompt. And what I'm starting to see is like with the prompting stuff, I'm gonna have to figure this out. But I saw some guys on X.com. They no longer type their prompts. They just talk to the computer, and then they're obviously not using like what do you call it? Just like raw Claude. I don't know what they're using, but they can essentially just talk to the computer, and then that's how they prompt it. So I have to figure out how to do that because that's just gonna speed up the workflow. Like just imagine, like sitting here, I'm not even typing, and I'm just talking to the computer. So I think that would be the next phase of taking this AI coding things to the next level. But I mean, overall, today's solid day of hustle. Kind of sucks though. Tuesdays are usually very meeting heavy after work, so it might not be that great tomorrow. But I think the server side notifications, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, maybe that's when it should be good to go. Um, just very tedious getting the thing to run on your computer locally because you have to set up a lot of things. So today when I was setting it up, what are the things that I had to set up? I had to set up Firebase in the API, and then I also had to set up Redis. So if you don't know what Redis is, it's like an in-memory cache. It's kind of hard to explain if you're not a developer, but essentially for the notifications that we have, it's going to be storing a lot of information about the notifications in Redis. So that's why you're setting up Redis, and then Firebase is actually going to send the push notifications to the phone. So I don't know, my brain's just all over the place right now. But like I said, tomorrow, which is Tuesday, very meeting heavy, so I don't think gonna get a lot done. But Wednesday and Thursday, gonna come out swinging for sure.